So I just got done watching YC Imaging $50 DIY video light, and then Schiffer did one. Potato Jet has an edition of this where you're going to Home Depot and you're spending $100. Even, you know, $50 to $100. That's not a small amount of money. For that amount of money, you can get something that's way better. Let me show you. How much do you think this cost? $5. $5. Yeah, this was literally $5. I had to buy a few of them to get them at that price, but he threw in a bunch of free lights. He threw in these clamps. These clamps are like $30 or $40 alone that came with them. I mean, the safety cables on them so they don't fall and hit your head. All I'm trying to say is you're probably better off looking for a good deal on some used lighting than going out and buying anything new. I mean, I didn't buy my camera new, and I saved a bunch of money, so why would I buy my lights new? These things are probably 30 years old, and they're still going. For those of you who are unaware of what these are 1,000 watt theater lights. These were used in like every rock and roll show for the last 30 or 40 years, and they've all been retired now. So there's a bunch of them used that you can get for a really good deal because a lot of people don't want them. Now, why would people not want them? Well, let's talk about the downsides really quick. They draw 1,000 watts of power. That's a lot of power. You can only get away with plugging in 2 onto a circuit before your whole house shuts off. They're really hot. I mean really hot, like send you to the ER hot if you touch them. They will burn you so bad that you will not be able... I actually have a burn on my leg from a motorcycle exhaust pipe, and these will do the same thing. You will get 3rd-degree burns and just like totally destroy yourself. They get really hot, like I just said. Yeah, I just said that, didn't I? So they heat up the room really bad, and your talent is going to start sweating. All right, so they're pretty unideal. Let's be realistic. But for $5, if you're trying to make a studio, if you're trying to do something on a budget, you will not beat the output of these lights for $5. These things are so awesome. And I'm telling you, for $50, just buy some modifiers and some of these guys. Some used theater lighting, some used stage lighting. Even like floodlights or something would be better. But yeah, the DIY route, don't waste your time, don't waste your money. Just get something that's freaking awesome. All right, sweet. I got this newer 3-in-1 reflector and diffusion that I'm going to show you right now. So let me show you the behind the scenes of what I'm looking at from my side. All right, so here is my modifier right here. $20 newer modifier. They actually have gold reflector, they've got a silver reflector, and then you can take it out and you've got like a softbox. So that's what's going on here. And behind it, we have our 1K beauty. Look at that thing, dude. This thing is just like the real deal. Let me show you what it looks like outside. Holy crap, let's do that. Come on. All right, so check this out. There's darkness. There is light. You're just not, you can't beat 1,000 watts of power. If you look at it, you'll notice that it's like a blade of light, essentially. I just tripped the 15 amp circuit. Okay, so maybe I just proved that this is not the best choice. There's always a compromise, right? All right, so I just tripped the 15 amp circuit in my garage. No, this is way better than doing a DIY setup with some can lights and cardboard and a shower curtain. Check this out. There's my modifier. There's a little bit of a bounce, a cute little golden bounce with another little baby light. And this guy going right through it. Now inside these lights, you actually have different bulbs, and you can swap those bulbs out. And those bulbs have different beam angles. So this is a medium, and that one that I was using outside is actually a narrow beam, so it's a much farther throw. It's more like a searchlight. You can probably shoot it across a field or something. So yeah, $5 for this is just way better than $50 for something like that, a little can light. All right, peace out.